to the rule, but this freaking bitch.
This is effective.
Kiss me, honey. Kiss me.
This is effective at relieving the symptoms of snoring, limb jerking,
He's not.
punching,
That can't be right.
punching, kicking while sleeping, waking up tired and thirsty,
It really gets her
irritability, daytime fatigue.
Jody Falcon. It's the butterfly.
Depression, ADHD,
Oh my goodness. I need help.
loss of motivation.
Bring it to my classroom. I want to take it with me this week. I'm going to put it on one of my
That's
kids.
beautiful. That is beautiful.
Cures
That is a
everything.
beautiful thing.
Cures everything.
be able to sleep
Jesus
on
Is
that.
that really how you wear it?
I think so.
That doesn't look
It's
comfortable.
supposed to keep the... No, I don't
He
think
can't even talk.
Wait a minute. No,
No, that doesn't fit. That doesn't
Read the directions. You got to give directions on how to put it on.
No, it doesn't.
Well, you can't put it on your nose.
Oh, no, Norman. The opposite. Yeah. This part goes down here. See this goes, this is the top. The top goes up like that. This is the bottom. This part goes over your chin.
What part goes over my... Oh, so it goes this
It goes
way?
like that, yeah.
But what is this for?
That's to keep
For your head.
keep it so
For your head. Ponytail. For your hair.
For the ponytail. There you go. No, that doesn't go over your mouth. It goes over your chin.
You to keep your mouth shut.
Like
that. That's
There you go.
That's the whole idea. It almost stops talking. Wear the snoring solution with the black side away from the skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got that.
There it is.
That video.
it's got my football
And Norman, and do not use it. Whatever you do,
Very
do
kissable.
not use it if you haven't read the whole directions first.
Or watch the DVD.
Well, you know what? This is going on the internet for sure. I'm putting this on YouTube. Oh, this is on YouTube. This is going to be on YouTube.
No more snoring.
No more breathing.
You're not breathing anymore
I almost
either.
died the first time I wore it.
No fucking way.
You actually sent away and paid. How much did you pay for that?
$14.99.
No.
But you got 4 of them. It was $20, but you got 4 of them. But you got 4. Because you acted quickly, right?
And I took the rebate in.
You took the rebate in.
Oh, shit, this is going on YouTube.
A G-string.
Yeah, it looks like a